Welcome to this video on how to create a Cash App account. We will walk you through the simple steps to get you set up. In this video, you will learn how to download and install the app, register your contact information, link a debit card, verify your identity, and follow essential security tips. First, open your App Store, search for Cash App, and install the official app by Square Inc. Once it's downloaded, tap the icon to open it. Next, enter your phone number or email address on the welcome screen. Follow the prompts to enter the verification code sent to you to secure your account. To add funds, link your debit card by entering the card number, CVV, expiration date, and zip code. Tapping Add Card connects it to your account. For higher transaction limits, you can verify your identity. Access your profile, select Identity Verification, and provide the requested legal information. Stay secure by using a strong PIN, double-checking recipient details before sending money, and being aware of phishing scams. Always keep your notifications enabled. Whether you are using iOS or Android, the setup process is straightforward. Check your respective app store for any platform-specific features like widgets or shortcuts.